Now, nabutang dari when we sow a thought, no, isa kahuna-huna, we can reap a deed. It will result to an action. Sow a deed and reap a habit. Kung balik-balikon nimo to na action, it will become a habit sa imuhang kinabuhi. Sow a habit and you reap a character. That habit later will become your character. Sow a character and you will reap a destiny. Look at the phrase, look at the words. It started with a thought. Amen. No? So that's why kung polluted kaayo ang imong kasing-kasing, polluted kaayo ang imong una-huna, wala gigwardyaan pa jud, tapos di ka magpahugas sa pulong sa Ginoo, then I'm telling you, yes, you can be a Christian, yes, you can be a born-again believer, but somehow, you can have a bad destiny dito sa kalibutan because you did not guard your heart. Amen. Daghan kay mga Kristohanon karon nga tinuod nga luwas, pero daot ang ilang paglakaw tungod kay wala nila gigwardyahan ang ilahang kasing-kasing. Amen. Manang ina mo katapad, balik ka, guard your heart. No, guard your heart.